Khubor Pibaro Shakatuk Khubor Jungi Kadon Bosco Media Network. Kimat Makong San Menta Kasni Kilong. Ho Kasni Burom Kinong Hikai Haga Jylla. Nailur Behiar Dor Ubiskot Dang Beteng Kajing Shaot Kilo. Ngat Kigang Rong Klep Priu Hakti Kisamla Shnong. Batra Kipulit Kendai Ngut Kidikot Kahito Sha Civil Hospital. But Mintang in Pa Shagi Khubor Bakam Benya. Hakasan tarik Nailur kari barok kawai ke kenmau burom ye kinong hikai dan ke Teachers Day. Kiba imsngi ban sandur ya ke jing bat kalawe jong ki kena skul bat ki samla puli jong kapateng banwan. Hakini kesngi ke Sarkar Meghalaya kala rakhe di program kiba ipho ipeng kiba hap dor bat ka burom jong kinong hikai hasuso tham auditorium. Menteri Penroy Jing Nang Jing Tip Urakam E Sangma rengkat u advisor Kapuli Puthi uba HM Shangpliang kiwe ki he Sarkar rengkat kinong hikai neg skul beper kila yak be ye ki program penbernya bala ai ki kena skul kum kadak ban sngongu ya kinong hikai.
You kept me working so long when I knew you were never wrong. You were tough with me and pulled my arm. You never gave up.
So the project that we'll be launching is Samagara Shiksha website, then the Adopt a School web portal.
Education will become success in all future endeavors.
Shri Iwani Daka Mukhi, Assistant Teacher, Government Girls High Secondary School, Jylla. Srimati Iwani Daka Mukhi has completed 25 years of dedicated service and is actively
abilities. These two are ingrained in our minds and our hearts from the moment we were called to the profession. So with great humility, I want to say thank you for appreciating and recognizing our efforts. Being a teacher does not come with an expiration date. We are called to inspire, to be role models, to be leaders, and to guide, whether it be in our own classroom or in the sanctuary of our own homes. Moving forward, we still have mountains to conquer and valleys to explore. With the upcoming implementation of the National Education Policy 2020 in our state, the teaching community will have to work together more so than ever, supporting our learners in this paradigm shift. Because our common objective is for the future and holistic development of our learners.
All the teachers of all levels of all districts across the state and across the country. May your service and may your dedication will always to be remembered in the days to come. One thing in the teacher's profession that it happens. One thing I see in the teacher's profession is there's one thing that teachers never fail. As a teachers, we never fail. But as a teacher, if somebody fails, he is and she is extraordinary, he is exceptional. So, when I was in class 10, there was a science teacher. So we, as a students, we always used to ask a question. So how did this happen? This formula applied, all that. So there was a teacher. He was a science teacher from, I think, is from Uttar. So I asked, sir, how did X come from? I was in Hindi. So X कहाँ से आया? So I asked. was impatient. So he said, he was impatient and he got angry. And he answered, Asman se hai, Asman se. He don't know the response to me. So sometimes we as a teacher may be impatient, but it is not the quality of our teacher. So as our this spoke today, the commitment and responsibility is the full present provision of any teacher. My dear friends and my dear students, a teacher's proficient is a blessing from the above. I want to remind each one of you to be a teacher, to be a proficient. Let us remind together it's a responsibility, it's an assignment from the above. Therefore, we all must to be faithful, because if you fail as a teacher, if we don't justice to the students as a teacher, we are spoiling, we are destroying the future of our children, the future of our society, and the future of our state, and the future of our nation. Therefore, as a teacher, when we are committed, when we are responsible, we always see the result. We have seen the narration story of Praveen Bakshi just after a few minutes ago. When we see some students and his testimony says of that kind, I am here because of Almighty. If the testimony of the student doesn't well sound, teachers will cry. It's not about the salary, it's not about the attendance, it's not about something else. The success and the satisfaction as a teacher is the only when we see the best, the performing results of our students. When we see our students performing well, when our students are doing well, excellently well in different assignment, different sector, then as a teacher, you will feel it. Today I want to tell my testimony, research and training. Would like to wish on this auspicious occasion from the bottom of our heart to all my dear teachers, a very, very
Ki Office District School Education but Subdivisional School Education Riboy District haka santre Nailur hapreng kajing ipo iping kila rakhi kasingi burom kinong hikai ha parish hall nong po panai kajing ro ikinong hikai ki pala no sinyang ban kenti wiki khana school but ki samla puli ha kajing nang jing start khamtam ban sain duri ki nakabenta ki pateng banwan Hakani kasngi uba Mirror Bonds aim MLA kanong po ulalong ukong san hakajing don rengkat uba Eric Calvin Dekar MCS BDO ko umlingsin adi block kum sumbut kong san kakong Paidolin L Nonglight DSEO Riboy mat kiwe ki officer kinohikai bat ki khana school Hakani kajing rakhe lasami ki khusnam shikinohikai naga district kibala sha ajit halor usinyang bekila no shikapuli puthi bat khamtam ban kinte kajing nang jing start haka district bro kawai Kini kinohikai kikenthup ikakong June Mary Sun, head teacher umsning government LP school, lower primary level. Kakong Balong Shah Rimpet, hakakadan upper primary level, kabday ruka assistant teacher, jongka Minken government upper primary school, Bhoirumbong. Katbahaka secondary level, layo do Upadam Chetri, assistant teacher, jongka Nehru Memorial High Secondary School umsning. Nalor kita kinohikai nakaliang ka office u DSEO but SDSEO kila samru iki khusnam sya ki samla puli ki bala pas bha but ki balawan ra nam but buram ya ka district
life ideas and ideals and principles that you have instilled upon each one of us. Teachers, in more ways than one, are the unsung heroes of our society. They play a pivotal role in nurturing the minds of not only the next generation but also of the current generation. And they help in imparting knowledge, instilling ideas, values, and helping us discover that flame which is within us. On this Teachers' Day, let us reflect upon the invaluable contributions that teachers have made to our lives and also to society as a whole. They not only provide us with education, but also teach us life skills, values, and ethics that help us be and become rounded, reasonable, well thought of human beings. As we celebrate this day, it is important to remember that, as you may know, teaching is not just a profession, it is a calling. It takes patience, dedication, and a genuine love for learning to be an effective teacher. They don't just impart information, they inspire, motivate, and ignite the flames of curiosity in their students. They create an environment where students can explore their interests, ask questions, and also dream big.
I'm very upset that day. I asked why. Why you don't want to become a teacher? There are multiple reasons maybe. It may be justified, it may not. Then I asked who want to become a doctor. 4 or 5 of them raised their hand. Who want to become an engineer? 4 or 5 of them they raised their hand. So these are the perspectives that we are going through. I don't know, maybe I'm right or wrong, but this perception is there that if you put on priority basis majority of the students to select their profession, very less they will opt for a teaching profession. I may be right, I may be wrong, subject to verification. That's why it is very important that in the present day generation that we have to infuse into the mind of our dear student, into the society as a whole, that teachers is a very noble profession. Even though I didn't have the opportunity to be a teacher in the past, each and every successful person, like we said, behind every successful man, there is a woman. Behind every successful student, there is a teacher behind, who support like a pillar, who become like a second parent, to guide, to nurture, to encourage students. And behind each and every one of us who are here, we have to give thanks to a woman being a mother. A woman that rocked the cradle, ruled the world. Nomor kata ke Cordova, jom dikai jom ini dia, lagi dia kesem, ikimi kipa, inom hikai kamtam. We are here today to witness this beautiful day, where whole of our country we dedicate to the teachers fraternity within our country. Hats off to all of you, the principal, the teachers who are here, for your dedication, for your hard work, for whatever that you have contributed towards the society. Thank you so much for that. As a legislator, we understand the difficulties that the teachers fraternity they are going through in our state. multiple issues are there. We have one of the complicated educational system in our state. That's the fact. Compared to other states or compared to other countries, teachers at different levels, be it a full-fledged government, be it on deficit pattern, be it on ad hoc pattern, be it under SSA, be it under fully private, multiple challenges are there where teachers, most of the time, they have to run from pillar to post for the rights, for many issues that is still pending for the administration to address.
Haka santri Nailur, haka jingrakhi ke sengi borom nong hikai Hamintong District Library, bala penyak the Office District School Education Officer West Jante Hills District, usembut Menteri Rangba ke Jylla ba senyau halang dhar. Haba kren kum ukong san ula batai ke kam ke sorkar MDA, da ka boong bakala le shibun ban penroy ke puli puthi kentup ke jingwan rae ke Community College, ke jingmang ke sorkar haduk shihajar news pa arpau tili ke school na ke bentaban penbha penmiat, bachna thamai ke school LP UP, ban shach kor bat pelat yaki ne kijing hak be day kinong shet jing bam sngi na kabenta ki khana school halor kijing ka kyang nang ba government college juwai ulai thu badang shen kila depan arpho klur na ka Ministry of Donor na kabenta ban chna penhe bat pen bha shu ekatika college ka balamat kijing khapnya hakani ke sengi burom nong hikai ladon lang ba wailat miki Shilla Emily ke juwai kum sembut kongsan Deputy Commissioner ba BS Solia bat Superintendent of Police ba si Sirti udoloi ke elaka juwai bat kilong kemi long pa la samru ye ki district award haka kedan secondary balayo da ka kong One Hok Lamar Vice Principal ka QC Springside High Secondary School haka upper primary layo do ubaha Ohiwat Lalu Assistant Teacher Government Girls High Secondary School Juwai haka lower primary layo da ka kong Hilarious Manar Head Teacher Umladkur Government LP School Khongla Yakanam Best Scouts Master layo do ba Jonas Kepala Tombs Memorial Scout Troop Secondary School Muralong Juwai katba yakanam Best Guide Captain layo da ka Dolly Lamare Little Angels Guide Company Secondary School Musa Lengkhat Juwai Lapin po pen pieng yakini kesengi di kejing ruai bat jing shat ni kena school kum kadak pen i kejing burom bat jing sngongu ikino hikai haka district berok kawai
Long killing follow wala chindong kalan show yang dali long kawe ban ban scamnya kalawe no difference in heart for me stand your head in darkness comes alive, we shan't hesitate to stand. Just surging white and lava berdaya barola, nari jongi shari jongi, banyak kelilang gawe, nabani long cucai kasih, kajing kernen jong kalawe.
कदम साथ चलते हैं अखंड नस के सीने में एक ख्वाब है अनकी आशा जो सबके दिल में बस एक था
There was agitation between the student and one of the professors. Yes, of course, it's not bad, but according to us, it's very bad during that time. So we moved to the principal to remove him immediately. And the principal advised us, no, don't do that, don't rush it. Call him, meet him, at least one. Maybe there is some solution to it. Then we meet him. So the best teacher, the good teacher, he knows how to reply to the bad student. And he says that, my dear student, you know there is so many languages in this world. There is bad languages, there is good languages. You know who covered them up? Only one smile. And he smiled to us and we are satisfied and we didn't demand his removal anymore. That is the best teacher. And I would like to share with you here, by records, as per my personal experience, I have seen that the best student is always face the bad teachers. Because the bad teachers, they are bad forward to make us proud. To make us proud. It's because of you that we are here. Because of you that we are here. You are the steerings of the state and the nation as a whole. And one thing I cannot forget it also. Teacher is one of its quality, no matter how much pay they get from the government or from private sector, but they treat their students always in the best directions. That is the best teachers. That's why as the MLA of the state of Meghalaya, today is the first Teachers' Day celebration I attend, madam. Today is the first one. Today is the first one. And I remember during my school times, we faced very much challenge. You know, there is a grumbling every now and then, every session between the teachers and the students. And without that, no student is perfect. We may debate each other, we may scold each other, we may comment. That same them come kita tahu plus minus, we should know what does it mean. Kita speak in kuat implement niya. Kadi we try to implement kami step by step lah. So as your leader, I have to listen both. I keep it in abeyance for the time being. And I have given abeyance. Semua you encourage. You go on sincere duty yogi. Kuat you improve you duty yogi in the days to come. Di hajar kru government the tibora education sector mendunai kali hajar kru sistem sutulobi. Nei bentau kamu ruwan rakyat student we kon gomayai yo man ki kru yo gari. And only ways we can do it, we should be a teamwork and between all of us. Kanito kulti. Da percaya sanction kami warok diskur kamu ngampikat ku ye. Mbam ke sorkar gojo sanction dignya khatnya sepak khat pras pak tali school building. Maybe 3 lakhs, maybe 4 lakh per building. MDA government could let any camera. Could penek ditulap kat wi walai. Could percaya pak iwan ke challenge go face pi. Could percaya penjam hagi wan bentau ke sorkar jok. Mut ke sorkar ye go le borok ejai. But we are here in the chairs. We are sleepless because of our own children in the whole state. Ada pai biar givi Shillong. Ngaj givi ke por lai beachi sta Bihar. Mama lai lang. Sejarah kata ke distrik Melinyi bertutur distrik. Kalau naik Arlisi. Kalau man iki politician lak lor ni. Ye yo ke ini ne. The yun ko kita fi school ko sa tebli thadri. Tahu apa ya? Dan gipli state kurang tu naman ni. Tependuk lo yang rem yung Arab kacak mesin ni. Hanya hadun ni kesinga sang sorang wong jan. Lam tok ro bakala ampun dan di school ko temo ta ji chule hadun ni kesini. Puan kan. Tekat wo kamte. Ukur pa di ginohikai ko maya gi kedis ko pin ni kesini. Hampa iwan sarkar migun beng wara. We trust you as our leaders. But even uduna governments, you are there to protect us. Even uduna we are here to protect you. That is how we work in the society. And that is the only spirit you'll be able to bring up your districts, especially in the education sector. The boni kam le kam tapo ka Jylla, BEd college ko stang por yowi, polytechnic stang por yowi, kam ke MCH le waraman ke health sector da persang hagajing kre ustom yung local la mele mumwich benipi yiu kana bi gwi bom pujo ke bi pai hania lai man ka sing la Jylla town is the only town mempo the whole tang ibi le lamba ka kre umawai la aro prak lu sang seni kini ka tang yo on surface kam chbom be kre ke machine di mechanized work in the whole town ka Jylla town sa multi complex kumis kita upusnang krem sistem gawi kau kena dapat lot deslam anda yang di tut hari kam kintal point yang pencana ke kamar kami memongi upai education sector percang upai ke road sector percang upai ke health sector percang upai power sector as a government hani satu itu waro ada education sector man kau teman ibu kau defect ikam government tak boleh tidak. Karena pi ye gigi jenda ul perchangi ni government dabun ba ini deh. Dabun ba ul perchangi wa kamu protect ye childhood education kamu increase kamu pun klan ye gino hikai ko mayayo man ko most qualified teachers kamu pun create a skill development program klan like student ni we are na like man ko dakai kamu pun create ye scholarship ni por klan uyo bentag ni godu yo yarapi kamu pun klani ke school building, kamu pun klani ke additional school building. Kini wara atau nebel tawa ya umang ikoni keluar dari hagi sini pengetahuan. Tamu dulu wigi student emikat tuan ini, you should be a fighter. You should be a fighter. Kamu ini the best student always face the bad teachers, and the good teacher always face the bad student. Hawang gamte untuk wasiki no hikai wasiki kamu pun baik pi. Sikit gua bahapala la ya omon ikon student ni mangi gua untuk bukan ustam. Pai kanuk saya ken tam yobi kan ni bo dramiat kan. Last 10-15 years of yobi hakasi ku declare ke result metric. Bo besi pai di first division citempe cedakut. Bukan panjang second division full up page. Cenderung third division kendi page minimum. That's how we feel as a student, and it's high time to realize all this. Kan isi biok 80% biok mulai kos kuat ni. Biok. Now we are living in a competition world. The life is we are facing a lot of challenges. Mensau biok 60%. Kamu bagian dah kawan mitik ke bagi pa, dah kawan mitik dah ada orang yang lepas pas mitik konan lah. Kan ni dua pas empat cuan lah.
Wat lada ki bor Sinchar District Council ki lapen bana bala sange ka 8 kilo ye ki marep ki mahajan ki bathet khayi na ki yo ha ki nong kendong ki dang beteng ban khate 8 kilo na ki nong rep ki bayi ki mar ki mata jeng ki ha ki ni ki yo. Kinong yalam ke Hill Farmers Union HFU ki lekentu ye ke sorkar ban pinsange bat penduk no mardor ya kini ke jingle jingi mahajan yaki haba ki one day ki jhur ki jep ha ki yo ki hat. Kini kinong yalam ke HFU ki lekendu ye kinong rep hanong kasen East and West Khasi Hills ha ka South rek ban skap ye ki jing ot jengki halor ka jing beteng ban 8 kilo ye ki marep jengki. Kinong yalam ke HFU na nong tliu ki bakentup yu ba ki laurenyang ba Alphenbird Carson Teo bat ba lumlang Kars Imle kila pelong ye kejing yalang jeng kinong rep halor keni kejing syak khate kilo haki mahajan. Hadin kejing yalang ba lumlang Kars Imle General Secretary ulo ong ba kejing khate kilo kalakta e kinong rep ha keni kapor ba hiar dor ki jhur ki jep khamtam lele upiskot.
Por wontan nagaliang jungi kum kaseng nong rep ka Hill Farmers Union West Hill District hagajing ron dekat bat kinong yalam jungi na seng kemi te ngilayo ban wan hagani ka sinong hangni nong kasen lengba ka jingi kenduk ka jungi halol ka jing ot jinam jongki parado operasnam ka jungi paranong rep ka jungi hangni ka dong ka than ka jungi hangni Kibadan na like se mokotan bertum ter kibadan hak ni irian no kasen kajing ut kajing ki halo kajing sya 8 kilo jong ki marep khamtam ya biskot ke baki lamat hak ni kis pausnam kibala de barok tingi syu ai nuk sale kham men shwa lada ki wan kit ki briu ki no khai ki wan kit shispa trok lani shispa pick up biskot kemut ba shipau pick up ula de jong ki no khai kemut ki lai nong tang nak baki 8 kilo Tega nuksa hakini kipor bamta ki norep kejungi ki ong bagi wan thet ya biskot shubu udodon 1 kilo sejrong kilo 8 kilo kata kare kejing ong jong ki jing ethu jong ki norep kejungi te kejing kwa kejungi kalong ba ngi kwa ban lum ki norep jongi keleng ki badan ko west kasil ki district ki badan gue pat ki jaka kemud ba ngin dawa nak sarkar hagajuk kasur ba ngin kelek no kejing ya nong jong nong khayi ru ngite bagi layok nong jiwan thet nangi sipau tangka gila le di khat atangka te balai ginang apa di gajing yok nong na gajing 8 kilo kata ka di gajing keli gajing iki nong rap tingi kwa akane kapor bonta baki bagasur jong iki nong rap kolom baki nong khayi kin yok nong tang nak baki ya di pateng la pateng re kin sange no gajing 8 kilo ngi kepada sarkar bahkan yarap yangi bahkan kersan yangi bahkan ni gajing 8 kilo kanduk kandam no keblesibur
Hakabening kong engi pempai kecing engi kum kinorep habaki 8 kilo tenteng ubiskot jengi udan 100 kilo kin udna 100 kilo kata kalong kecing dunang nalor bu umarep jengi ulong batador nalor katar kin od yang kilo lada shubu ya ukilo jengi udan 100 kilo kim od yengi tak kilo ru daka shonda daka shipau tingka kamut 100 tingka ngila du lupa lada kim od kilo kamut 100 tingka ngila iya bantebakla ta kalong kecing kawan kong bagi mat ni kum kinong rep kecing kerpat jengi kum kinong rep ni kerpat ba lakum no sarkar kan pundu no ikan kecing 8 kilo na nak buta jengi kinong rep namar kalau sipun ke kecing dunong na buta jengi kinong rep habaki 8 ikini kilo jengi marep ke jengi
sya kan yang mentah lu kecing jur ba 8 kilo na bangi rep ya suru kaju tu biskot kaju siapa tersor kaju don ka ubah sya ban audio sisa ka jing 8 kilo ka sarkar kala menyarap yang ini kaya jenis ke jing sya penduna ke jing 8 kilo ni so kemen buat misal tenak ya kata ka jing le sistem jing yarap ni ka bor sarkar
8 kilo 8 kilo 8 kilo 8 kilo gi persya 2 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 kilo 8 kilo 8 kilo 8 kilo
Laingut kisamla rilum Garo na South Garo Hills District kilangat hakti jeng kipai pa hasinong rong di Anchengre hatan sang nigre kiblaya subut ban rong klep badawa pisane ki mahajan bar Jylla kibawan demar hakasngiyaw hakate kisnong ya uwi ni kini kisamla layo kem di kisamla na chokpot hakasaw trik Nailur bad ikiwe pat arngut layo kem hakasan trik Nailur kini laingut kisamla bertemu ban rong klep iki mahajan bar Jylla la kem de kipai pa bat samla snong kat bakidang subut hakapri kwai kabron charut kisnong kipai pa kila thokit bat yo sngo ya ke e ka bikila temu ban le la IT no ikini kilaingut kisamla sian buttu syaki pulit hasang nigri police station malam mudui bakini ki gang laingut kitemu ban rong klep iki mahajan bar Jylla hakasngi yau hakani kisnong
Yan, takya bro. Lima manjok.
Kalgumun mandi deh. Kam kai chana biskon jok. Metna mukron jok.
미제 이제 못단 동거 박사 이밤 건이죠.
비쇼 콘테타나. 모빌랑 문제 비쇼. sakkan ke tunje yan je na badiani oi
na badiani
amade atsiram turugat kinaba chitongkini chonani pura holla na ma kuri maina na kubara de pura khashe juk pura khashe ni kubara emna da ut ke tak
na pura khashe jikaba dong men hai di da ke chas kong juk
maina na kubara ngane tang kong ma season da ke takin na ba nga bisumun dakcha dal mang digi bisumun
졸라 해디
졸라 한 아래고 남기 작발 빼면 맨날 롱스카이나
증나에 집시금이죠 와도 늑파 다른 길이요 얘가 아리 무대 ये गाड़ी मिजा थामनी इबोदी मिजा थामनी ये दे आंगन छिकान नको दारी नियो सानों जा या बोसना जान दारन गिर को चपई करे नाबे
Baju kurang ni mana nak kena? Ini baju kurang ni. Habis ni kau ni mana kau dah kau ni kalau kau deh. Nak kat baju ni so. Nak nak chance kau ah. Nak gisik ni jangan kau manggen. Dober ni mana lagi? Nak akan ngayon mo. Mana ada baju kurang bawa kau kalau. Udah phone number donggen ba phone number di. So ang mungkin kau kalau mana gua. Ini baik option baju kau dong. Ini bakal kau ada nabi ni kan nak kau short nama kan ada sulit ni dengan jangan ada public ni. Remang para baca ketuni na akan bona tahu. Na remang para mai ketuni na. Ronjugri ma rondugri. Ondugri.
Cuma dah birani pun ya akha tu. Ya bersih yang
Kau yang menang pada teman kau pernah?
Menang pada teman kau pernah?
Teman kau.
Oh, undi ba ondu green na.
Tidak maaf saya bawa ban bungul kada. Bishun di burung.
Baju kurang ni mana nak kena? Ini baju kurang ni. Habis ni kau ni mana kau dah kau ni kalau kau deh. Nak kat baju ni so. Nak chance kau ah. Nak gisik ni jangan kau manggen. Dober ni mana lagi? Nak akan ngayon mo. Mana ada bishun kurang bawa kau kalau. Udah phone number donggen ba phone number di.
So ang mungkin kau kalau mana gua.
Ini baik option baju kau dong. Ini bakal kau ada nabi ni kan nak kau short nama kan ada sulit ni dengan jangan ada public ni. Remang para baca ketuni na akan bona tahu. Na remang para mai ketuni na. Ronjugri ma rondugri. Ondugri.
Cuma dah birani pun ya akha tu. Ya bersih yang
Kau yang menang pada teman kau pernah?
Menang pada teman kau pernah?
Teman kau.
Oh, undi ba ondugri na.
Tidak maaf saya bawa ban bungul kada. Bishun di burung.
Nakish Pongut kidukot jangka New Trap Integrated Territorial Organization kahito kibala syakyam hakipulit haka Southrik Nailur. Haka santarik kipulit kilara kendai ngut nakisha Shillong Civil Hospital ban eksamin ya kamet kapat pada kejingkot jengkia jengki shwa ban yalam yakisha kinong bishar haying kasyari. Kani kejulong kedustur nakliang kipulit ban pa eksamin ya kibriyo kibaki yokem haka por huri hura. Haka wipat kaliang, haka miet Southrik kipulit kilashim tino ya ke ambulance jangka hito ke penyeng ha parking lot persya ek State Bank main branch bat lara eka Sardar Police Station.
Halo. Kalong.
Okay, tak. Kada na po.
Kinongelam ka Voice of the People Party VPP haka santrik Nailur kilala ya kendo is Superintendent of Police Subak Sylvester Nongtenger East Khasi Hills bantip syai ke ekabalaja haka Southrik kabala ilam sya kejingtit lati bat siat leer selang khamat ye ki dukot bat nongkersyan ke hitu. Haba krench kelak pathai Khubor President ka VPP Youth Wing ba Dani Langste ula penrem jur ye kejingle ki pulit ikawi kedukan syah ka badon hajaka yang kali persya jong ke SBI main branch. Ulay thu ruban nakaliang kaseng hadin bakalayos ngawi ka ikabaw SP wi thu kan sa ay kai pot siya ka central body jong ka VPP bakan perkhat ban shim ye kinu kisin jam ki baya day bat kani ka jingja
mane kendo yo tak singi yo SP jong ka yo
i nakaliang jong ka Voice of the People Party naka Youth Wing iwan kendo ya i SP bagin ya kali ye jingja ka peminen Dengi i berapa ya social media kayak gini kejingja pemenen kalau kejingja ke basusi bagi i ba i beriu bagi ya yang kisah ban kisah kawang du grenade tekadon di kulit tu ki lihat lah tica cai kejingnya keren gitu ni bagi SP lah batai bah hot kadon ka kejing pemia suatu jemut Khubor Arliang kapoi sudah kata benta bahaban ya tiat telah tica sabannya kawang geringit dan disperse taka crowd nakaliang kejongi rugi 8 pau kejing sosi ba kamdai hisya bahkan poi sudah sata nakaliang kejongi kemusang ngi ketuhi ya ka police department bahkan kam pikiri nang ni sakmat ba dan humnum no kejing yelang bagi di ban page nomor bagi kumbenen kejing ja kalong habayang halenti hasengkien kidon ki riorang ba kidon ki kena tekala banja kanu ke jingja bos musi tingi long concern ke security mata ki ba habayang ki bam tip ki balui da jai manu ban kit kli ikum kita ban tingi la ya kren ni la ya sutu bari SP kata
dah katanya kan jong fi uya tu nambara la sedun ki man sa nok to ke jingja mene la sana kaleng pulit buat kita di khorsong halang
yang terakhir kat kum kejing lat patai Khubor kuma 8 pau menin hi nagi social media tengah terakhir SP yang ya kejuk hi bakadon kejing ya mensah hapur arliang hi
nomor ngi yo iru ba pulit kilat kawang itu ka tergas tu bom sat khamat ha ketuk-ketukan sa tu kum kena keleng gasang nakaleng ke BP ilat namban ong ba kejing la ke sarkar kalau long agresif palat nomor basulit tap bajar kan
di nilai kelish pang tu kejing kawang jong tu tiaga sepok ketuk-ketukan dan nakaliang jong ipensai ba iklem kawang hapo kedukan hendai iskun telun habar kedukan ipen gumta te watla kataru ngi 8 pau ba pi unu kiar ban pensat mat bat iong ba udai ba long mile te season bode tier gas umail ne high level ngi gimtip ya kata ngi digiriu pajba gimtip ka ika intensity jong ta tier gas ndai kumingi gibriu pajba bode tingi ngimla hi bansa ya kata kajing sat kata kale air mah
ya iru ba udon to we operate officer ba penangkam ki ketien kemakor nah kalian sang ai ke bakiran orang klot
ya ketu ngila sui apa ke social media tingi la ya keren hi badi SP ru ila ya keren ya kata yongin sepek nomor iru 4 yo ya kum kata ke information dan nakaliang ke jong ngi nakaliang ke seng kum bingi apa ke social media ba la post penen tingi la batai ba kadon kum kata ke incident ba way ni ki pulit dan apa ke uniform ba keren ki tien ba klem makor yongin sepek but insa sim ke action but ila ju ong du ba swa ki yong ba ki khamtam ni staff ki jong i personals ba di ban refrain akum kata te yongin sepek bang ya kata
sang pinang ay budin lo kana kabantang india
nakaliang jong kini kaseng naka central body nginang budin hi kini kabantah ban pet ya ka beha ka miat ka song san jong ka Jylla hi bro away
kana kada tang kajing kli je ina kada isim
kani nakaliang ko mga omen ne kana nakaliang ka youth wing bagi sungkhyang sungshon nakaraw iwan ban kli iwan ban ya perthau hangno kadon kajing duna kajing tam dan nakaliang ke central body matang ilai kendo pada kum SP ngala dewi kendo dengan saai ke information pada central body jong ka party buat ke main body ke central body jong ka party kan sesim pada ka wei ka sinjam ke i ka bari ba ke sudai bukan le pada
kajanya keren jong fi nomor persang man sngothu dan jing makla na kono kalian dah kajing keren jong SP fi sngothu manu bakla le se
iya kata ngimla benong menu bakla nomor ka situation kalong kata kapor ba kadon kajing ki habor arliang kat kumjing batai jung SP ong ba ki khot tang lai saungut nagi hidu members banwan te gi ong bade ba hiwan daki hongut mo hiwan bania senran lang te hangno kajing bakala kadon hangno kamdon ya kata tangamla bangan ong kali kata kadi kajing penpau nakaliang jong ka police department
to kana kajing ong ba tu bom sakmat de tang habar ma ni iba ki video ke la lek mo video bayring ba kadai is menjur namba kadai tang habar na kal de hapo na
nakaliang SP ipin ihi ga video yang ni te tengam kam dasai kata ga video kidon gi brio hapo angta te ubathai habar na hapo kata tangam tim kata kadi kajing ong na ka police department
bat da kitu ki Khubor ngila poisha ka bakun tat hadu pengde syam yang kable shibot